Yes.
We have the beef cooking competition.
Ang mga gana siguro.
We have Testa Basmate. Sir Mark, please join our board and members of the RM. So we start partner with the consolation prizes. We would like to thank Engineer Zelda for our peers, for our awardees for tonight. Thank you so much for sponsoring our beers.
Once again, for those who joined the beef cooking competition last June 11, to receive the consolation prize, I'd like to call Sir Archie Archola Paloma. Next is Ma'am Joanna Grace San Pablo Ramos. Ma'am Dayanara Cristel Lazaga Aparilla. Mark Justin Lopez Centillas. Jomar O. Diaz. Mari Cris Reyes Altivo. Sheila M. Milgar. Saibel Antonio Dumangas. And Maria Jane S. Motita. Again, for those who participated during the beef cooking competition, thank you po. And for our winners,
Siya lang nagsakat.
libre po ang pumalakpak. Once again po sa ating mga participants for the beef cooking competition, thank you po and congratulations. See you po ulit sa susunod na taon. And of course, sponsored po ang ating beef cooking competition ng MSP Trading Center, the authorized dealer of Petron Tasu. Okay, for our winners during the 2025 beef cooking competition, allow me to read this flag of recognition. Rodeo Masbate Incorporated and Testa Masbate Provincial Office award this flag of recognition to Mr. Cesar F. Bulalakang for emerging as the second runner-up of the 2025 Rodeo Masbateño Beef Cooking Competition held at Rodeo Salon on June 11, 2025 in celebration of the 29th Rodeo Masbateño Festival. This recognition is given in honor of their outstanding culinary performance, creativity in beef preparation, and excellence in technique, which exemplify the spirit of Masbateño talent and tradition. Given this 90th day of June 2025 at Rodeo Masbate Grand Arena, Rodeo Masbateño Beer Salon at City of Masbate, signed by Sir Mark Andre Avenido and Engineer Bernie Doctolero and our RMI President, retired Judge Emilio F. Campos San.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Flag of recognition
is given to Mamira M. Bulmatico as the first runner-up of the beef cooking competition. Salvadoreño Beef Cooking Competition. I'd like to call the champion for this event, Sir Perfecto M. Padilla II. Congratulations po, sir. The winners po, congratulations and thank you po for sharing your talent and letting us taste the beef dishes you have good.
Kung wala si... Sabayon ko na kay bagal siya maghihapon ng ma-receive para sa MSP Trading. Thank you so much po.
Bilisan mo, Paul!
Partner, ang ating next na pasasalamatan kung nakikita po.
Award, Acting President, Judge Igme Camposano. Palakpakan naman po ang ating President. Isko, grabe ka.
Next year, pwedeng sila na ang tumutugtog dito. Hindi na tayo, baka hindi na tayo mag-i-import ng mga banda mula sa ibang lugar para lang tumugtog sa ating rodeo festival. At may balitang nasagap ang inyong lingkod.
May we request from Filipinero Resources Corporation to receive the Certificate of Commendation.
Mars, hindi talaga nag-asawa maging partner sa RFI. Kasi pag tinawag na partner,
Nangbabalya po ako ng mga taong makukulit.
Video yan!
Tricycle driver na ayaw paawan.